Listen, I just uploaded my video, and since I uploaded it, this is what they've been doing. Okay, you're damn right. We have a right to defend ourselves from these kinds of attacks, and they know it. See, this is why they don't want you to know the law. This is why they keep you ignorant. All right, this is why they keep feeding you religion, so that you remain ignorant, that you don't seek out knowledge and understand it. Okay, as you talk about the only understanding you need is in the Bible. Please go and read the King James Bible 1611 version. Okay, and then ask yourself, who the hell is Jesus? And why do I keep talking about I love Jesus? Okay, when the letter J wasn't even invented. All right, before it was Jesus. Before that it was Zeus. Before that, guess what? It was Serapis. And before that, it was Heru. It sounds foreign to y'all because again, when you've been taught ignorant and taught lies, you know, the truth seems strange, right? That cognitive dissonance kick in. Okay, go read about John Wycliffe, right? Read about his Bible, which was way before the King James Bible. And what did the church do? They killed him. They killed him. Why? Because he spoke out against the church. Because he realized that the church, as an institution, was lying to the people, was deceiving the people to enrich themselves. Right? So he translated his own version of the Bible called the Wycliffe Bible. Then they killed him for it. But now you have Bible translation in every other language. Okay? But in the book it tells you itself that it is heresy. It is against God's will to translate, to add, to remove, or to translate the Bible. Come on now. It's in your Bible, it's in your book. Right? So and that was the case since the Bible was already or was originally written in Greek. That's what it was. It was Greek and then was translated into Latin. We all should be reading Greek. Something to think about. Okay, you got a mind. Don't let it be blinded by religion. Don't let it be blinded by fate. Wake up.